Okay, so we have this exercise and we've done all questions except for question number 14th. Sides AB and AC and median AD of the triangle are respectively proportional to the sides PQ, PR and median of the other triangle. You have to prove that the two triangles are similar. Now, if you compare this question with question number 12, I would like you to just recall कि उस question में और इस question में difference क्या था. In question number 12, I'll be just writing this down here in the figure given because the figure will be same for both the questions. In question number 12, you had the ratio of AB, BC and AD with the sides PQ, QR and the median PM. So these were the sides and the last ratio was for the median. Whereas in question number 14th, you have sides AB, AC and the median along with the sides of the second triangle as PQ, PR and the median PM. So this time the sides are these and the median is the same. The advantage in the question number 12 was, in question number 12, the sides for which the ratio was given to us was bisected. So this side over here, BC and QR, they were getting bisected. So what was done was we could have simply shifted to halves of these. हमने यहाँ पे इनके halves use किए थे, if you remember, because the medians were bisecting the base. लेकिन इस क्वेश्चन में, इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 14th here, we cannot write down halves of any of these because उन साइड्स की तो रेशो ही नहीं दी जिनके ऊपर मीडियंस बनी हुई हैं. So that's the difference in question number 12th and question number 14th here. Just a minute. Hello. So as you can see, this is the major difference between question number 12 and question number 14th. Question number 12, the ratio for the sides which was given to us, those sides were getting bisected by the median. So we could just directly introduce halves of those sides. Whereas in question number 14, the sides for which the ratios are given, they are not getting bisected. So we cannot do anything about that. Now, my focus, what I'm going to try here is, I would like to use the result SAS for similarity. So if I have to use SAS, I already have the ratio of two pairs of sides. I want an included angle to be equal. This is what I want. I want the included angle to be equal. That's how I can use SAS. So included angle between AB and AC would be angle A, and between PQ and PR will be angle P. So I want to prove that angle A is equal to angle P. This is what my aim would be. If somehow I can prove that angle A is equal to angle P, then I can apply SAS because the sides that contain these angles A and P are already in proportion. I hope the question is clear how it is different from question number 12. At the same time, looking similar, like exactly similar with that question. बिल्कुल लगता है वही question है, शायद repeat हो गया है. Maybe it's a misprinting on the part of the textbook. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है, the questions are similar but they are completely different at the same time. So the focus will be to prove angle A equals to angle P, and to prove this we are going to construct something here, and that would take a moment. Just give me a minute. I need to... All right. So let's just start with the question, and I will be like discussing this step by step while doing the construction. So before we do anything, let's write down the given and the to prove part. So you can simply write that on your own, given and to prove. So I will be writing the construction here. Remember, the purpose of this construction would be to prove angle A equals to angle P. That's why I am doing this construction. So this is what you want to do. You want to extend the two sides, the medians actually. You want to extend the medians in such a way that the extended part is equal to the length of the median itself. So accordingly, let's change the figure. So I'm going to extend the median in such a way that it's actually double of its size. Same thing will be done to PM, extend it so that it becomes a double its size. After that, you want to join the extended part with the vertex on the other side. So if I have extended AD to E, AD is equal to DE. I have extended PM up to point N. The extended part is equal to the length of the median. I want to join E with C and N with R, completing the triangles on the other side. And then you can write this down here. You probably have to zoom in on your own because it's going to take a little space here. So I'm going to prove the congruence of, now see, the purpose is to prove similarity, but I'm going to take the help of congruence here. I'm going to prove the congruence of these two triangles, the ones I've shaded here. Triangle ABD will be proved congruent to triangle ECD. And can you tell how this can be proved? Anyone? If you observe closely, एक कंस्ट्रक्शन हमने की है, कंस्ट्रक्शन के अकॉर्डिंग AD is equal to DE, but since AD was the median of the triangle, what I can say is that the base BD is equal to the base DC for the two
CD.
triangles. Yeah, BD is equal to CD. So if you want, you can just mark that BD is equal to CD for yourself. I've already used symbols here, so I'm not going to introduce any more symbols. I'm going to take these two triangles, triangle ABD, and I'm going to take triangle CED.
ECD.
Yeah, ECD. I'll write that in the congruence correspondence. So we have two pairs of equal sides. The median AD is equal to the extended part. This is by construction. The second thing is BD equals to CD, median AD divides BC. The third thing I require to prove the congruence is another set of angles here. So I'm going to use these two. I'm going to use the names
Vertical
instead of,
triangle.
yes, I'm going to use the names here instead
And
of
in ADB,
using
use
the
angle CDE.
numbers. ADB is congruent to EDC. Anyone who wants to ask how this congruence has been done. Right now, you might not be able to understand why we are doing this, but eventually, as we move forward, you will be able to see कि इससे हमें कैसे help हो रही है. So I'm just simply going to ask one thing at every step, whether or not that step is clear to you or not. And once you put all the pieces together, you would know how it helps you prove the similarity of the given triangles. वो आपको लास्ट में क्लियर होगा कि इससे क्या हेल्प हुई है. As for now, just try to understand whether or not this congruence is clear. Anyone with any questions? Okay.
No, ma'am.
The way we have proved the congruence of these two triangles in triangle ABC, similarly, we can prove the congruence of these two triangles in triangle PQR. So I'm simply going to write down over here.
Similarly.
Similarly, triangle PMQ can be proved congruent to triangle NMR. The way we have proved the congruence of triangles ABD and EDC, same way we can prove the congruence of the triangles that I have shaded in second triangle. And the conclusion that I'm going to draw from here is that the side AB of the first triangle becomes equal to side EC of the second triangle. Now I'm going back to the figure here with the help of congruence of these two triangles. इन दोनों ट्राइंगल्स की कॉन्ग्रुएंस से मैंने कंक्लूड क्या किया है दैट द साइड ए बी इज इक्वल टू साइड ई सी. Can you tell me what will I conclude in the second pair? From the congruence of these two triangles, what will be concluded?
Ma'am, PQ equals to RN.
PQ will be equal to Rn. That's what I'm going to write down here in the CPCT part after the congruence. So let's write that down. I've already written for the first pair of congruent triangles. Similarly, for the second pair of congruent triangles, I'm going to write down PQ equals to NR. Any questions still here? Okay. Now, once you have proved this congruence and you have written these pairs of corresponding sides equal, I want you to go back to the ratio that I had written in the question, the proportion given to me in the question. इस question में मुझे ये वाला proportion दिया हुआ है. I'm going to use this now. This is written in the given part. आपने यहाँ पे given में पहले से लिखा हुआ होगा. I will just write that down. आपको क्या दिया है? AB, AC and AD from the first triangle. These are in proportion to PQ, PR and PM. So I'm going to use this result now. Use the CPCT results in your given result. AB will be replaced by EC and PQ will be replaced by NR. Is it clear? Jasmine,
Yes,
beta,
ma'am.
what's the problem with your microphone?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, this is one modification. एक तो मैंने ये change किया है. AB by PQ changed to EC by NR. Second thing I'm going to change is the length of the medians. This is now something you can remember for yourself. In the construction, the medians were extended. The medians were extended. So I'm going to write down the extension here. So EC over NR, no change. AC over PR, no change. I'm going to introduce 2 with both the medians. This is something what I said initially. कि जब हमने मीडियंस को एक्सटेंड किया था, इस तरह से एक्सटेंड किया था कि उनका साइज डबल हो जाए. जितनी मीडियन है, बाहर वाला एक्सटेंडेड पार्ट उतना ही है. So the total length is actually double the median. I hope that makes sense to you.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
How I have double here? Because the medians were extended in such a way that their size was doubled. That's why I have written 2 here. Now, if you look at the diagram, like go back to your figure, AD is given here. AD and DE actually make AE. So double of AD will be AE. EC over NR equals to AC over PR, and the third ratio gets replaced by AE upon PN. If anyone has trouble understanding this, you can write that down here. By construction, AD is equal to DE. Therefore, AE is equal to 2 times AD. This is what I have used here. Any questions till this step?
No, ma'am.
Now, if you look at the
No, ma'am.
sides in the numerator, these are the sides of triangle AEC. You have the figure with you, so it will be easier for you to refer to that. And in the denominator, I have sides of PNR. I'll go back to the diagram. I have obtained this result. EC over NR equals to AC over PR equals to AE upon PN. In the numerator, I have the sides of triangle AEC. In the denominator, I have the sides of PNR. Is that correct? You can just quickly take a look. EC is this side. इसकी रेशो लिखी है हमने NR के साथ. And then second pair is of the sides AC. Its ratio has been written with PR. And the third one is this extended part, the medians that were extended. Third ratio unki hai. So if you have the ratio for these equal, can we say that the triangle AEC is similar to triangle PNR? This triangle is now similar to this triangle. Can you say this? If you need a minute to go through the answer, you can just ask me to wait. Let me know if this is clear what happened here. By congruence, we proved that AB and these extended triangles were congruent. And after that, we have used the CPCT to modify the given ratio. एक हमने CPCT वाला रिजल्ट यूज किया है और एक हमने कंस्ट्रक्शन यूज की है, और दोनों से हमारे पास इवेंचुअली ये आ जाएगा. बाय SSS, triangle AEC is actually similar to triangle PNR. And once these two triangles are similar, you can write down their corresponding angles equal to each other. So I'm going to mark the corresponding angles equal. This angle over here, since the triangles I have highlighted in blue are similar to each other, their corresponding angles will be equal. So angle 1 will be equal to angle 2. Okay, before I take this further, I would just simply like you to remember one thing कि मैंने prove क्या करना था. I initially told you that I want to prove angle A equals to angle P, and right now what I have proved that part of angle A which has been marked as 1 is equal to part of angle P which has been marked as angle 2. मुझे पूरा एंगल ए पूरे एंगल पी के इक्वल चाहिए, लेकिन डायरेक्टली मैं उनको इक्वल नहीं कर सकती थी. सो आई डिड सम कंस्ट्रक्शन, आई यूज द रिजल्ट्स एंड आई हैव ऑब्टेन्ड पार्ट ऑफ एंगल ए इक्वल टू पार्ट ऑफ एंगल पी इक्वल टू ईच अदर. एनी क्वेश्चन स्टिल हियर? हाउ वी रीच्ड angle 1 equals to angle 2? You might have to revise this question again after the class. But I hope it is making sense to you where we are reaching with this. ये इतना सारा काम करने का फायदा क्या हुआ हमें? हमारा पर्पस था हम एंगल ए को एंगल पी के इक्वल प्रूव कर दें, लेकिन डायरेक्टली उनको प्रूव करना मुश्किल था, तो हमने ये कुछ कंस्ट्रक्शन करके काफी सारा काम किया है जिससे हमारे पास एंगल ए का एक पोर्शन एंगल पी के एक पोर्शन के इक्वल हो गया है. Does that thing make sense to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what if I had did this construction on the left side? जैसे यहाँ पे construction मैंने right side पे की है. The blue triangles are on the right side. If I had done the construction on the opposite side, what I would have been able to do was I would have been able to prove that angle number, the other part, this angle over here, let me just zoom in a little. Right now I have proved angle 1 equals to angle 2. अगर ये वाली construction मैंने left side पे की होती तो मैं ये prove कर देती, angle number 3 equals to angle number 4. ये जो सारा काम मैंने राइट वाले ट्राइंगल्स के लिए किया है, the ones which I have highlighted in blue, इतना सारा काम करने के बाद मेरा जो रिजल्ट काम का था वो तो सिंपल इतना सा था कि angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. Similarly, I could have done the construction on left side and I would have obtained angle 3 equals to angle 4. Is that correct? Could I have done that? वो ट्राइंगल्स इस तरह से बनने थे आपके. इस तरह से डायग्राम बनना था. So if I had done the construction this way, I would have proved. That's correct. So if I have proved angle 1 equals to angle 2, same way I could have taken the construction on the other side and I could have proved that angle number 3 is equal to angle number 4. So you can just write down here at the end by using only one word. Similarly, we can prove angle 3 equals to angle 4.
Yes, ma'am.
And then add the two results. So this will give me angle A equals to angle B. This is what I wanted. I would like you to go over this answer again. If you want, you can watch the video again and then pause it, replay it, rewind it, and maybe that will help you understand what we've actually done here. If right now anyone wants to ask anything, you can go ahead and ask before we take up further. Anyone who would like to ask anything? Punya, I would have to actually take a look. You are saying that triangle ADC is congruent to triangle
No, ma'am.
PMR
PMR, yes, ma'am.
by
Yes, ma'am.
SAS.
मैंने क्या पूछा? Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Sahaj,
from 1 and 2. Yes, ma'am.
CE is equal to RN. It's not given.
Ma'am, when triangle AEC was similar to triangle PNR, angle 1 was equals to angle 2.
Angles
Now,
can
if
be
we
equal,
take
sides cannot
triangle,
be equal. Sides will be in proportion.
yes, ma'am. मैम जब हम अगर उसके बाद मैम ADC और PMR ट्राइंगल ले तो मैम AD अपॉन PM इक्वल्स टू AC अपॉन PR और ये गिवन था और एंगल 1 इक्वल्स टू एंगल 2 ये प्रूव्ड अबव तो मैम ट्राइंगल ADC सिमिलर PMR ये दोनों सिमिलर हो गए बाय SAS तो मैम उससे कंक्लूड कर सकते हैं हम AD ओवर PM इक्वल्स टू AC ओवर PR गिव BC ओवर MR which is equals to half RC over half QR. तो मैम उससे AC over PR equals to BC over QR और therefore ये रेशियो पूरा आ जाएगा AB over PQ equals to AC over PR equals to BC over QR. So SSS से triangle ABC और PQR similar proof हो गई.
That way also it can be done. Yeah, that's fine. But see, you have proved one more pair of similarity after proving angle 1 equals to angle 2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, you have proved one more pair of similarity, but what I have done is I have only written one line that similarly you can prove angle 3 equals to angle 4, and after this you can directly go to the main triangle and prove the similarity. So there are now two ways you can do this. That's also fine. If you have understood that way, that's also fine. आप बड़े वाले जो triangles हैं, the ones I highlighted in blue here, आपने उनसे smaller triangles में move किया है, and then from the smaller triangles you have again extended your result to the ABC and PQR triangles. That's fine. Completely fine, yes. Punya is also actually asking the same thing. Punya, that's also correct. If you two have done it that way, it's fine. Anyone else who would like to ask anything with respect to this question? Or I think you would like to go over the answer again and then like to ask a question. And before I take up the next part, I would like you to just know this. Even if tomorrow is a holiday, I will be taking your class. So if it's a holiday, I will let you know at what time I'll take the class. Other than that, अगर छुट्टी नहीं हुई तो class तो उसी time पे होगी फिर. Okay. So after this, the next part of your book is not in your syllabus, which says areas of similar triangles. This
Ma'am,
particular
आपने extra class नहीं दी?
extra class beta I will take on Monday or Tuesday, not today. Tomorrow आपका regular जो period होता है मैंने वही लेना है, even if it's a holiday. So the next topic that you have is areas of similar triangles. This is not in your syllabus. The theorem is deleted, the exercise is deleted. So you can write that down, that exercise 6.4 has been deleted, not in your syllabus anymore. And the next theorem that we have in the syllabus is Pythagoras theorem. And before we actually do the Pythagoras theorem, there is a result that we want to understand about a right triangle, which is given in the form of theorem 6.7 here. So they are saying that if there is a right triangle ABC, let us say, and we draw a perpendicular from the vertex containing the right angle. So let us say we have a triangle ABC, which is right angled at C. If I draw the perpendicular from the vertex of right angle to the opposite side, तो C पे 90 डिग्री एंगल बन रहा है. अगर मैं C से परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करूं ऑपोजिट साइड पे, तो ऑपोजिट साइड बनेगी हाइपोटेन्यूज. हाइपोटेन्यूज पे मैंने परपेंडिकुलर कंस्ट्रक्ट किया है. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज द ओरिजिनल ट्रायंगल गेट्स डिवाइडेड इनटू टू ट्रायंगल्स. इज दैट करेक्ट?
Yes, ma'am.
And what can you say about these smaller triangles now? The special thing about these smaller triangles is ये smaller triangles भी कैसे हैं? Right triangles. आपका original triangle भी right angle था, and by construction these two smaller triangles are also right triangles. And we can actually prove that each of these smaller triangles are similar to the whole triangle, and they are similar to each other as well. Does that make sense to you, what I'm saying? इसको अगर हम इस तरह से बनाएं, let us say we have a right triangle drawn this way. So if I say the triangle's name is ABC, this is a right triangle. I'm going to do a construction. If I construct a perpendicular from here to the opposite side, so I have a triangle ABD and I have triangle BDC. These are also right triangles. So I can conclude that each of these smaller triangles is similar to the original triangle, and these smaller triangles are similar to each other as well. If anyone wants to know how this will be proved, because we have questions in the exercise where we would like to prove this, I'm going over the answer now. If I had to prove that the triangle ABD is similar to the original triangle, triangle ACB, can we prove that? This smaller triangle in which 90 degree angle is at D, and the whole triangle in which the right angle is at B. Can you prove the similarity of these two triangles? Okay, we shall continue this tomorrow. Your class is almost over.